Introducing the Multicell Aging Oven, a high-performance, precision-controlled instrument designed to evaluate the thermal aging behavior of rubber, plastics, cables, insulation materials, and other polymer-based products. Engineered with multiple independent test chambers, the Multicell Aging Oven allows you to conduct several aging tests simultaneously. Each at a different temperature. This makes it an ideal solution for quality control laboratories, research centers, auto industry, cable industry, rubber industry, and other manufacturing units that demand efficiency, accuracy, and repeatability in their testing processes. Perfect for testing heat resistance, oxidation resistance, and accelerated aging, this oven helps manufacturers ensure their materials remain durable, stable, and reliable throughout their intended lifespan. Multicell Aging Oven Applicable Standards. Contact TexCare Instruments Limited today to learn more about how the Multicell Aging Oven can elevate your material testing capabilities with precision, efficiency, and confidence.